The other thing you mentioned is if we have a lightning strike over here, there's absolutely nowhere for the surge to go because this is
Insulated.
insulated from the roof. So where I'm going with this is you mentioned something that you call the separation distance. The separation distance got me thinking, because you effectively get two types of lightning protection systems. You get an isolated one and you get a bonded one. The one where you have the separation distance, that's on the isolated one, isn't it? Did I lose you? Have I lost?
No, you did.
Okay.
On the isolated system, you need separation distance, but on a bonded system, you also need separation distance. It's both. Remember, we're working with a steel roof. If it was a concrete roof, it would be different.
Yes, thank you.